Hi, my name is Sherry Hudson from Visual Spark Studios, and I'm here today to give you a little bit demo on Pattern Press Studio. It's one of our 30 plus systems that are truly unique and amazing. So I'm going to show you one thing that you can do in Pattern Press Studio. When you order this and you get it, you will get a link, and this is what it will look like when you open up the link. All you have to do is hit start. So it's really, really simple. And I like to keep it personal. So I have just asked for your first name. If you don't want to type it in, you don't have to. You can type in whatever you want. And as an overview, as a refresher, it is for knitters, for people who like to crochet or quilt, and the system is divided up into those three main categories. Now, I've had someone who translates patterns, and I want to be able to illustrate how that is done. So if that's something that you are interested in doing, you certainly can, whether it's for yourself or for somebody else. Let's just say then that we want to design a new quilt pattern, and so we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we will show you how to generate the translation of it. You can either type something in here at the bottom, or you can use your voice, either one, and that's what makes this so simple. And we're going to have the system actually generate something for us. We're going to go ahead and click on that. You can see that it's working because it's scrolling across the screen. Otherwise, you'd know your voice isn't recording. We're going to not design our own today, but we're going to design a new quilt pattern. We're going to go ahead and hit the check mark and hit the up arrow. All right, and so it's asking us what we would like to do. So we're going to do something very simple today. And again, you can type it in, or I'm going to use my voice. I would like to do a quilted wall hanging with patchwork, geometric, 2 foot by 2 foot size. The main techniques surprise me. And the colors, I would like some neutral colors, but some earthy things as well. When we're done, you just hit that, and then we hit the up arrow, and it's giving us some information about it so that everything we have discussed with it. And we will go ahead and just, how do we want it styled? I like the cinematic, but let's just do a literal and basic stitch for right now. So you can either just type in the number, and it takes just a moment to generate an AI image. Now, the thing with AI, I've mentioned before, AI has come a long way, but it is not perfect. So the information or the image that you see may not be exactly, and again, because we haven't designed this pattern ourselves, it's kind of like the house shows where you don't know exactly what's going to be happening until you see the reveal and see the finished product. These images, again, being that they are AI, they are not perfect. If it's not something that is like, oh my gosh, I'm totally wowed by this, that's okay. It has nothing to do with the system itself. It has to do with how AI operates and how it can work. And don't be, it's not the system. I just want to warn you ahead of time. Now, let's say that we love this pattern, and if we want to download it and keep it, we can. We also can save the reference ID number and style information if this is something that you like. Now, it asks us if we want to build the instructions. So yes, we want to do the instructions, because one of the things we want to do is to show you how to translate it. The does come up step-by-step instructions, and it's already named it for you. Let's say this was a pattern that you loved and you thought, I want to sell this pattern. You certainly can. It's already named it for you, but you can name it whatever you want. It gives you all the materials list, exactly how much, and then the binding fabric, coordinating thread, the cutting instructions, all the different fabrics, how to cut it, then how to piece it. So you were able to see exactly what to do and how to piece it together, and the finished product. Now, in order to translate it, what I do is I highlight it, I copy everything, and then I copy it, come back down here, paste it into the chat box, up arrow. Oh, actually, I could have said I wanted to translate it first, so my error. So that's one thing that you want to do, translate. Yeah, and it doesn't really matter if you don't have all your words spelled correctly. This pattern into Spanish. And let's paste that back in there again. Now we should be able to do it. And automatically it comes up as translated. If you really wanted to, you could copy and paste this into another translator on your computer. I have done that and taken it out of this system, and it comes up almost word for word. But it will, whatever language that you're in, it should generate exactly what it is. If you needed it to generate in centimeters, the sizing in centimeters, you'd absolutely be able to do that as well. This is just a quick tutorial about how to translate that, but I hope it's helpful, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and I hope you have a blessed day.